Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products out there, and today, we're bringing you one of the most fun, relaxing, and perfect summer essentials, the SLOOSH Inflatable Tanning Pool Lounger Float. If you're searching for the ultimate way to soak up the sun in style, then this giant pool float is exactly what you need. Now, what makes this pool float one of the best giant pool floaties on the market? Well, let's break it down. The SLOOSH Inflatable Tanning Pool Lounger is huge, measuring 85 inches long and 57 inches wide. That's big enough to comfortably hold two people, so you can share your sunbathing experience with a friend or family member. Imagine relaxing together, floating gently on the water, with the perfect space to stretch out and soak in those sun rays. Whether you're enjoying a refreshing drink or just unwinding, this lounger is designed to give you the ultimate experience. Speaking of comfort, this float is built to impress. It's made from high-quality, heavy-duty PVC that's thick and UV-resistant. This means it's not just durable but also resistant to wear and tear from the sun, so you can enjoy it all summer long without worrying about it fading or cracking. It also features a ribbed air cushion base, giving you extra comfort, and a removable pillow that supports your neck and back for that perfect lounging position. The combination of these features makes the SLOOSH Tanning Lounger one of the most comfortable floats out there. What about stability, you ask? The SLOOSH float has you covered with its integrated pad eyes and a wraparound rope. This allows you to tie it to a dock or another float, so you won't drift away, making it ideal for those long, lazy days in the pool or at the lake. The design is another standout feature. Not only is it extra large, but it also has two drink holders, so you can keep your favorite beverages nearby, and the clear top design gives it a modern and sleek look. Whether you're using it as a tanning bed or turning it into a ball pit for a fun water party, this float is versatile and can be used in so many different ways. Plus, assembly is a breeze. This inflatable lounger is easy to inflate and deflate, so you can pack it away or set it up with minimal effort. The SLOOSH Inflatable Tanning Pool Lounger Float is perfect for any pool, lake, or beach day. It's made for adults, offering the comfort and size needed for a premium sunbathing experience. In conclusion, the SLOOSH Inflatable Tanning Pool Lounger Float is the best giant pool floaty for anyone who wants to upgrade their summer relaxation routine. Whether you're looking to tan, lounge, or enjoy some fun in the sun with friends, this float has it all: comfort, size, and durability. Make sure to check it out on Amazon for your next summer adventure. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews like this one.